Creating your marketing video step by step. Hey there, friends. It is no secret that businesses, and anyone who wants to make a buck online for that matter, now needs to have their own video marketing strategies. We must give you a peek of what awaits you once you start getting into advanced video marketing. And now it is time to start taking action. Starting with this lesson, we are going to walk you through all the steps that you have to take to prepare an effective video marketing plan to grow your business for long-term success. For that, we have to start with the basics. And in this lesson, we are going to teach you how to create a marketing video the right way, step by step. Creating a marketing video checklist. While it is true that it only takes a capable cell phone to record a competent video these days, it is important that you get it right from the very start, as your brand's relevance depends on the impression you make when you build an audience of potential customers. So, before you even think about shooting your first marketing video, we recommend that you make sure to have these things ready. Equipment. Securing equipment is the most stressful part of video marketing for some people, but this doesn't have to be overwhelming. Here you have to focus on securing a camera and a mic for recording voiceover. For a camera, we recommend that you use your own smartphone. Make sure that your smartphone's camera is between 8 to 13 pixels, and that it is able to record at 24 to 30 frames per second. Our additional advice is that you buy a tripod for your phone, which will help you to avoid shaky shots. Talent. Who will star in your marketing videos? You have to gather the people that will represent your brand in your videos. If possible, keep a single person that the viewer can relate to. As for voiceover talent, you can record it yourself or get someone on your team to do it. But if that's not an option, you can always hire good, affordable voiceover talent on places such as Fiverr.com. Setting. It is key that you prepare the setting of your marketing videos. Things you have to consider when securing a place to record your videos are adequate lighting and ample space for shooting from different angles. Also, you have to secure a surface that you can use as a green screen, as well as stands that you can use to position your cameras, your key light, and your backlight. Software. Finally, you have to prepare the software that you will use to edit and create your final video. There's an ample variety of software available for this end, both free and paid. Our recommendations include Lightworks, Apple's iMovie, and Adobe Premiere Pro. Creating your marketing video. Plan your video. You have to have a clear idea of what your video will be all about before you set up recording. This includes understanding how to explain the brand, product, or service that you will promote, determining your target audience, defining the goal of your video, such as making sales or increasing exposure, defining the budget, the production requirements, and the timeline from production to release. Script your video. Once you define all aspects of your video and campaign, you have to create a script. This process is similar to preparing a blog post, the key difference being the script actually has a voice and setting. Create an outline of key points in the marketing video and their logical order. Then start drafting them as a script in a separate document. It is important that you draft the first part of the video as a separate entity. This will allow you to compose a hook for the first 5 to 6 seconds of videos. In general, the first 2 lines of the script have to catch the attention of the viewer. Otherwise, your viewers will lose interest. Lastly, it is important that you keep an eye on the language that you use in your video. Keep it conversational and relaxed. Prepare and rehearse. Get everybody involved ready for the set and setting of your video. Even if it's only you, it is important that you rehearse your video before recording it. Shoot and edit. Once you are ready to start recording, do it. If you did everything right in the previous steps, recording your video will be quick. Then prepare all your footage, find some cool copyright-free music to add to your videos, and edit your video. How to make an awesome marketing video. Pick the right format. You can't just shoot a video and call it a day. Every audience likes a different format of marketing video, and this means that you have to pick the right one. The formats that get the most attention include demo videos, where you show how your product works, brand videos, where you give a detailed overview of your company, interviews, how-to videos, explainer videos where you don't show viewers how to use your product or service, but the reasons why they need it, animated videos, infographics, animations, and case studies. Showcase your personality. Personalized content gets a lot more attention because most niches are already too saturated. So being different and showcasing your personality will help your marketing videos to stand out. So while your company is offering the same type of product or service others are offering, you compensate by promoting it using a different voice. Provide entertaining and educational value. Online brands mostly build their audiences and reach through the value they can offer to potential customers. This means that you have to create marketing videos that entertain and educate the viewer. For example, if you are selling online marketing training, you can create marketing videos that teach viewers how to achieve smaller goals in an entertaining way. Composing a killer video title. You have to learn to create effective video titles that help you promote your video on different channels. First, it is important to add the right video keyword at the beginning of the title. Video keywords are keywords and search terms that generate lots of traffic and engagement on YouTube and other video sharing platforms. Now, these keywords are specific to each marketing video format that you produce, and they include how-to, interview, review, health-related keywords, fitness keywords. The other secret of a great video title is to add the right niche keywords. This means that you have to add the keywords and search terms that potential customers in your niche are using to find the products or services that they want to research and purchase. And this is how you can create effective and results-oriented marketing videos. Stay tuned, because in our upcoming lessons, we'll be showing you how to upload, optimize, and promote these videos.